Hi, in this video we are going to add API integration in a Flutterflow. So in a Flutterflow we no need to write manually code as we know, and in Flutterflow editor API integration is also provide the easy way. Now we are going to editor, and left side we have one tab API calls. I click on API. We have one option add, and we have also create a group API and create individual API. I click on individual API call, and here I write API name, here API URL, and here select a method type get, post, delete, put, and patch. And we can also write here header, and also query parameter, variables. If we pass dynamic variables, dynamic value, we can configure here, and whenever we require the calling API, then we can pass the dynamically value. So first I show you how we can create one get API. First I select dummy API, and here I just paste here, and API name should be movie API, and method type should be get, and we no need to require the header, query parameter, and variables. Just add the API. Now our API integration is done. So only API URL, API name, and if we required headers, query parameters, variable if needed, then we can add. So only this way we can add the API integration. Now we can check here. We can also able to check its responses. So here one button in right hand side, test API call. So now I click on test API call. Now here we can see its responses. So responses is in a JSON array. We see row body, headers, and a JSON body. So this way we can integrate API in a Flutterflow.